On October 19, 2017, the universe sent us a message. It arrived not as a signal or a sound, but as a physical object, the first one we had ever seen visiting our solar system from interstellar space. Astronomers at the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii spotted a faint point of light streaking across the sky. At first, it seemed like just another asteroid or comet, a familiar wanderer in our cosmic neighborhood. But as we tracked its path, we quickly realized this was something entirely different. It was moving too fast, following a trajectory that could not have originated from within our own solar system. We named it Oumuamua, a beautiful Hawaiian word meaning a scout messenger from the distant past. One of the first things that struck us about Oumuamua was its extreme shape. The data pointed to an object that was highly elongated, perhaps 10 times longer than it was wide. As it swung around the sun, it accelerated as expected due to our star's immense gravitational pull. But as it moved away, something strange happened. It sped up. The world's most powerful telescopes were pointed directly at it, looking for any sign of a cometary tail. They found nothing. There was no dust, no gas, no vapor. It was at least 10 times more reflective than typical solar system asteroids or comets. It reflected sunlight like a piece of polished metal, not a dark, porous rock covered in cosmic dust. What else besides a rocket effect can push an object in space? The answer is sunlight itself. For this to work, an object must be very thin and have a large surface area relative to its mass, like a sail on a ship. My hypothesis, therefore, was simple. What if Oumuamua was not a rock or a comet, but a piece of advanced technology created by an extraterrestrial intelligence? If it were a light sail, it would perfectly explain the key anomalies. This hypothesis elegantly resolved all the major puzzles with a single coherent explanation. It would mean that Oumuamua was our first contact with a relic of an alien civilization. Think of it as a plastic bottle washed up on the shore of a remote island. The suggestion that Oumuamua could be an alien artifact was met with intense debate and significant skepticism. Many of my colleagues pushed back strongly, arguing that proposing an alien explanation was a leap too far. Other scientists proposed nitrogen icebergs, hydrogen chunks, or extraordinarily fluffy dust aggregates. Skeptics pointed out that we only observed Oumuamua for a very short time, and the data was limited. This ongoing conversation is not a sign of failure, but of science working as it should. Ideas are proposed, challenged, defended, refined. The brief passage of Oumuamua has fundamentally changed how we think about SETI. We have founded the Galileo project to systematically search for extraterrestrial technological signatures. If we could get a close-up photograph of one of these objects, the debate would be settled. If it's a rock, we will see craters. If it's an artifact, we might see geometric patterns or inscriptions. We are no longer just passive listeners waiting for a call. We are becoming active searchers. Oumuamua served as a cosmic wake-up call, reminding us the universe is full of surprises. Finding we are not alone would change everything, giving us a new cosmic perspective on our shared existence. Whether Oumuamua was a nitrogen iceberg or alien light sail, it has succeeded as a messenger, teaching us to have courage to keep asking questions.